In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your playlist from YouTube Music to Apple Music using Playlist Go. Maybe you've spent years building the perfect workout mix, your late-night chill playlist, or your daily commute favorites, and now you don't want to start from scratch. Now let me show you how. First, download and install Playlist Go on your computer. Once you open it, you'll see a clean interface with two sides. The left side is where your music is coming from, and the right side is where it's going. Go ahead and log in to both your YouTube Music account and your Apple Music account. On the left, select YouTube Music as your source. You'll immediately see all your playlists and albums. Pick the playlist you want to transfer. Then on the right side, choose Apple Music as your destination. Now, just click Start Transfer. Playlist Go will begin matching each song from your playlist to tracks available on Apple Music. Once the matching is done, you can review which songs were successfully found. Finally, click Transfer to complete the process. And that's it. Your playlist will be ready for you on Apple Music, just like before.